Then after that Chunda sound the only and that came out. Hi, I'm Anna Gracious, and today I am here at this institution of Assistancia de Goa, and I'm really very sad to hear that they are vacated. But I asked the Panjim people, why are you all quiet? This institution was for the poorest of the poor, and many of them were benefited. I एक काम कोताले हांगा as an administrating officer, and I know the pains. I know the pains that this sister, the time when Sister Nandita was there, Sister Consia was there, we were like a teamwork. We used to work like a teamwork. Now we need to understand why was this institution given to the missionaries of charity. Children, newborn babies were found in dustbins. The unwedded mothers, they were protected over here. They delivered their children over here. Those children grew up. They were married into good houses. That responsibility also was taken by these missionaries. And आयज आमी तांकांच भायर घालता. Where are the pension people? Did you all not take that benefit from them? Now you all are rich because now the cities become rich. You want to throw them away? Mother Teresa, during my time, Mother Teresa visited this place. We were so honored to see her here, lively to see her here. Today she is no more, she is declared as a saint. And today we are just putting them out, the missionaries led by Mother Teresa. It is really shocking. The children have grown up. They have taken so much pain. There was a garage over here. In that small garage, they were not doing big things, not big wonders. In that small garage, they were supplying food. They were supplying ration. They were taking care, medical kits. They used to come to Indiranagar in Chimbel. House to house, they used to survey. They used to take care of the poor. Now what? Just because Panjim is becoming rich day by this concrete jungle, you want to demolish this heritage house? For what? To give the builder lobbies? म्हाका एक खूब दुखीची गजाल ही आनी हांव मागता MLA, आमचा MLA बाबूश मोन्सेरात, please intervene. This is a place where the beggars, the street beggars, you go near Azad Maidan, you see so many beggars are there. Who's going to feed them? Have you all have any home for the aged, homes for them? These were the people who used to remove the worms from their leg. These are the people who used to take care of the poor, the childless, the motherless, the fatherless. And we are only doing this mistake by giving a big hand to them to just make this as a concrete jungle. I'm very sad about this. I appeal to Singh, the MLA, and the mayor also, Rohit Monsarat, to please do not keep them away. For now they have already vacated. Please bring them back. My humble request to you both. Thank you.